Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for web development. First, grasp the core syntax and basic programming concepts. Focus on understanding how JavaScript interacts with HTML and CSS to create dynamic web pages. Don't rush. Take your time with each new concept. Consistent practice is key to building a strong foundation. Try coding daily, even if it's just for 15 minutes, to reinforce what you've learned. Once you have the basics down, dive into more advanced topics like control flow, functions, and object-oriented programming. These are crucial for building complex applications. Utilize online platforms offering interactive coding challenges to test your knowledge. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging is a vital skill. Learning to troubleshoot your code will save you significant time in the long run and deepen your understanding. Now it's time to build. Start creating small, personal projects like a to-do list or a simple calculator. This hands-on experience is invaluable for solidifying your skills. Next, explore a popular JavaScript framework such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. These frameworks streamline development and are widely used in the industry. Building projects with them will significantly boost your employability. Learning JavaScript is an ongoing journey. The web development landscape evolves rapidly, so commit to continuous learning. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and experiment with new tools. Engaging with developer communities can provide immense support and networking opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Keep coding, keep building, and enjoy the process of creating amazing web experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.